The reallocation form is a bit trickier to get the hang of. So the reallocation is necessary when one has funds from an event that were unused, not going to be used, wish to be used in another way. So for this case, Science Club was approved for an event where they would attend the American Museum of Natural History. Great museum. But Science Club decided that rather than pursue their event at the American Museum of Natural History, they instead were going to host an on-campus event titled Hearing and the Brain. So they invited a PhD student to speak at Fordham about hair cells and how sounds are heard by the ear in the brain. They reallocated the money that they were going to use for museum tickets. So you can see here that it asks specifically for the line items from the original appeal that were unused and canceled. In this case, they canceled the entire event, which was just museum tickets, and they make it clear that that had cost them $255. So now their new cost you can see here is going to be $150. So if we look down at what they ended up reusing this money for, they decided to buy 8 cheese pizzas from Strokos to satisfy the cravings of the audience at this event. So you can see that they have 8 pizzas, which matches up with their expected attendance of 60 to 65. If you think about it, a pizza has 8 slices. We're looking at about 1 slice per person here, which is very reasonable. Then looking at their tip, it looks like it's about 10% of this subtotal, rounded up to $14. The formula adds that together, and you get their sum, which is less than the amount of money that they canceled. So this is a very valid reallocation. And Science Club did, of course, submit a speaker form for this. Of course, as the Science Club, this very scientific event and bringing science to the Fordham community is a valid purpose for an event, and SABC did approve this reallocation. They also list here in the additional information that Strokos will deliver the pizza to campus, which is very helpful to know because that helps us know that there's not going to be tax. And once you're ready to send off the form to SABC, you're going to export it as an Excel document with the name of your club in the title. And you can send that to sabclc@fordham.edu.